All right, so each bag has vinegar and food dye in it.
I like that one.
All right. And what Stanley's gonna do is he's gonna put one of these little bombs in it, full of baking soda.
Open it?
You're gonna open it? Yeah, open it. Okay. You're gonna put this in it and then you're gonna close it as fast as you can. All right? All right, put it in there.
Open?
Open it. Put it in. Nope, no, just put it in like that. Now close it as fast as you can. Close it. Hurry. Now go put it. No, don't shake it. Go put it over there. All right, watch out. Move. Move. Over here. What's happening? All right, so then the green one, the pink one still didn't explode. So we're gonna try a little bit more vinegar in the green one. Stanley's gonna put it in. Go, zip, zip. Woo! It popped! Yay! All right, let's do the next one. All right, the orange one. Drop it in, zip it quick. Let's see. Woo! Yay!
It worked, Daddy.
Yeah, good job.
Good job, Stanley. High five.
I just popped that.
You're gonna pop it with your feet? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I think she's.
Jump on it. Jump on it.
Oh, yeah.